Today, I am reviewing Google Pixel 9 Pro 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Google Pixel 9 Pro represents one of the most advanced smartphones Google has ever built. Packed with cutting-edge hardware and Google's latest AI-driven software, this phone is designed to deliver exceptional performance, photography, and user experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, content creator, or someone who wants a premium smartphone, the Pixel 9 Pro is built to impress. First, let's talk about the design. The Pixel 9 Pro has a sleek, premium finish with a unique hazel color option that stands out from the crowd. It feels solid in the hand, yet lightweight, thanks to thoughtful engineering. The dimensions strike a balance between style and ergonomics, making it easy to use with one hand despite its large display. Speaking of the display, the Pixel 9 Pro features a 6.3-inch Super Actua display with stunning sharpness and color accuracy. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, everything from scrolling through apps to gaming feels smooth and responsive. The display supports extremely high resolution, producing vivid colors and crisp details. Whether watching videos, editing photos, or browsing the web, this screen is truly a joy to use. Performance is where the Pixel 9 Pro shines. Powered by a robust processor with speeds up to 3.1 GHz and 16 GB of RAM, this phone handles demanding tasks effortlessly. Gaming, multitasking, video editing, and AI processing all run seamlessly. Google's Gemini AI integration takes it a step further, providing intelligent assistance that adapts to your needs. With Gemini, your phone isn't just smart, it anticipates your actions, making daily use smoother and faster. One of the biggest upgrades in the Pixel 9 Pro is its camera system. The triple rear camera setup includes advanced sensors that make photography effortless. Google's computational photography tools, combined with the powerful hardware, allow you to capture stunning images in nearly any lighting condition. Whether you're shooting a landscape in daylight, snapping a night scene with night sight, or zooming in up to 20x with super residential zoom, the results are impressive. Video recording is equally advanced, supporting 8K video capture and features like Video Boost that enhance clarity and detail. The front-facing 42-megapixel camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, offering exceptional clarity and detail even in low light. Google's AI tools like Add Me and Magic Editor give you even more control, allowing you to adjust photos creatively and even reframe shots after you've taken them. Battery life is another highlight. With a 4,700 mAh battery, the Pixel 9 Pro delivers up to 24 hours of battery life on a full charge. That's enough to get through a busy day of calls, streaming, gaming, and photography without needing to recharge. Plus, the fast charging capabilities make it quick to top up when needed. Another advantage of the Pixel 9 Pro is that it's unlocked for all carriers, including Google Fi, Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T. This flexibility makes it easy to switch carriers or use international SIM cards when traveling. Connectivity is robust, with 5G support, Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi, ensuring fast and reliable connections wherever you are. Security is enhanced with fingerprint recognition and advanced Google security protocols, keeping your data safe without sacrificing convenience. The Pixel 9 Pro also runs on Android 14, offering a clean interface, smooth updates, and deep integration with Google's ecosystem. In terms of storage, the Pixel 9 Pro comes with 256 GB of internal memory, ensuring ample space for your apps, photos, videos, and documents. If you need more, there are even higher storage options available. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is a premium flagship smartphone that combines outstanding performance, industry-leading photography, and smart AI integration into one powerful device. It's not just a phone, it's a complete tool for work, creativity, and entertainment. Whether you're a professional photographer, a gamer, or someone who just wants a reliable and intelligent phone, the Pixel 9 Pro delivers on every front. For those looking for the best Android phone of 2025, the Pixel 9 Pro is a strong contender that offers unmatched versatility, cutting-edge features, and premium design.